right, this is our outfit of the day. I'll go first. I am wearing a muumuu from Walmart. I've got granny panties on and a panty liner. I've got my OnlyFans slippers, my Louis Vuitton crossbody bag with my hernia sticking out right there, and then I've got my Jimmy John's turkey sub.
Hello, I have a hoodie from DannyDuncan69.com. I have a Walmart thong on with a Always Thong pad, Target pants that I cut into shorts, rain boots. I have a Jimmy John's veggie sandwich, no cheese, no mayo, add mustard, jalapeno chips, and a purse from Old Navy, and a phone from AT&T.